Hey guys, it's iiAshMonsterii here, back for another unboxing. I have Cloak is the brand. I have never ordered from them before, but my friend has, and every time she wears something, it is so cute and really nice looking. And I wanted to give it a try, and I thought the best way to try is with their mystery box. I think they have done one before, but I'm excited to see what I get. I've never owned anything from them, so I am excited, and I look like a hot mess, but it's because I was so excited to do this box that I didn't care if I looked good or not for it. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm so excited. Everybody doesn't trust me with scissors here. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I've had a lot going on, you know, the holidays, and I got surgery, but I'm excited to film this. Okay, so when you open the box, it didn't open upside down, but it looks like this, so that's exciting. Also, this is Zuzu. He's gonna be joining the video, just because he's new, so we're just gonna have him join the video, but let's see. I may have opened it upside down, but I'm excited already. I see a lot of colors. I'm excited. Okay, so the first item we got is a blue cap. Let me zoom in. The Cloak logo is right there, and it's in rainbow colors, so maybe this is from, like, you know, a Pride collection. So I'm excited. I love beanies. Let me, you know, really open it. That would probably be a lot better. So this is what it looks like. It looks really nice. Let me see. I'm not a really big hat person, but I do wear them during winter, so okay. I like that. I like that. I'm just gonna put it off over here for a bit. Okay. We got another one. We got two hats. We got a blue and a green, which, that's interesting. I didn't think they would put two of them in there, but that's nice. So this is what this one looks like. Same thing with the same type of logo. Really nice. I'm gonna put it on. I don't own much green, but you know, I like it. I like it. So I got a green and a blue. Need to put that over here. Fix the hair a bit, 'cause, you know, I get everything really, really big, because I like to, I like stuff to be huge on me, like their dresses, but also they shrink over time. So we got a shirt, I think. It's blue. It's blue, so I'm excited. I'm really excited just to get one hoodie in here because all their hoodies looked awesome. Okay, so this is what the shirt looks like packaged. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is what this shirt looks like. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Look at the back of this shirt, guys. Look at the back of it. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh. I love it. Yes, I get everything huge. Okay. I like them to be big. So we got 2 hats, 1 shirt. This is what the box still looks like. We still got a good amount to go, which I'm glad. They put a lot of stuff in this box. It's a hoodie. It's a hoodie, guys. Oh, hold on. Maybe I should show y'all. It's a hoodie, guys. It's a hoodie. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just really wanted a hoodie. All their hoodies look badass. I saw a pink one that was like really long. I wanted that one, but you know, I liked anything that they showed in that advertisement, so. Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This made this hoodie so much better! So much better! Look at him! Oh my gosh! I'm so happy. I hope they do this a lot because I will definitely get this again. Look how big this hoodie is! And it has the rainbow! I'm so happy. I can't put this on right now, but you know, I will probably after. But yeah, I love this so much. Let me, you know, fold it a little bit, you know. I'm so excited. Okay. It looks like this is the last item. They got sweatpants. Oh my god, these are gonna be huge, but it's okay. I'll make them work. They got sweatpants. They gave pants. I didn't think they were gonna do that with the sizes. Oh, it's okay. I'll make it work. I have short legs, but you know. See, I'm more of like a medium large on sweatpants. These are extra large because I like big hoodies and shirts, and I thought that's what they were gonna do. But I ain't mad. I ain't mad with big sweatpants, you know. Look at these. I'm living for this. Look how nice they are. Oh my gosh, and they have a pocket. Yes. Okay, they have a back pocket. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look how nice these are. They're big. I'll make it work. They feel really nice, and they're stretchy too, which I don't really need stretch because they're extra large, but you know, it's okay. I'm so excited. I was afraid that they were gonna do pants, and because it was gonna be an extra large. I was afraid they were gonna do pants, but it looked like they were only gonna do shirts based off what they were advertising, shirts and jackets. I wasn't even expecting hats. But yeah, I'm excited that I got some because I did really want a pair. So I'm excited that I got some. I loved everything that I got. I can't wait to see what my friend got. I hope it is different. Each box is really different. So for next time, I will know. But that's it. That's all I got right here. Which is a really good value because I think I only paid $88 for all of it. $88 for all of this. And I know like their hoodies are like, you know, $60 to like $70. So, like, basically a hoodie and a hat would make, you know, the total of the box. So the value for a $190 plus seems very legit. So look how much we got. That's crazy. Did I even get the hats in here? I don't even know. I did, yeah. Hats on top. Look at this. Look at this. A whole bunch for $190. Total value. I only got it for $88. That's not including tax and shipping. But, you know, that's crazy. I love it. I'm gonna do it again. I really like the clothes. They feel really nice. Really good quality. And I like the designs. I like the designs on all of them. So yeah. Bye guys. Hopefully do another one of these soon. I know my channel's random and whack with random, you know, art videos and unboxings. But so far I'm really enjoying them. So bye.